I'm enjoying this keyboard. This is I guess it's Sinda, although you can tell from the lettering here that I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce that, but it doesn't matter because they make a great keyboard mouse combo. Here's the mouse, instruction book, and keyboard. Inside the mouse, I'll show you. I've used it already, so there's battery, but there's the dongle, the Sinda, as I'm calling it, dongle, and it just pulls right out of here from storage and plug into the computer, and both the mouse and the keyboard will run from this same dongle. So, well, spare you my putting that back. They work very well. I've used it for a couple of weeks now. I like the feel of the keys. The travel on them is very good. I don't know if you can see, but and I'm a touch typist, and I use the home row, so I really am used to this style of keyboard rather than that kind of some kind of flat touch panel. So this makes me really happy.